Hello students, how are you? Our lesson topic for today is YAS problems. Our lesson objectives: to systematize students' knowledge on the topic YAS problems on the basis of creative use of previously studied material, to promote students' involvement in the discussion of current problems and adolescents in modern society. And the next, assessment criteria. Look at the blackboard and see our lesson criteria. Show meaning from context in extended text on the topic. Write currently at the topic level using a variety connectors on the topic. Apply infinitive forms after an increased number of verbs, adjectives, preposition. Use variety of prepositional and the phrasal topic and the verbs. Look at the board and you see new words for the topic and repeat after me. Bringing up, terbiye, patient, sabırlılık, responsibility, жауапкершілік, independent, тәуелсіз. Our lesson topic was about problems, actual problems of young people. Okay, look, and you see friendship problems, parent problems, emotional problems, health problems, money problems, fear or loneliness, and the suicides. For teenagers, nearly everything becomes a tragedy: love, friendship, conflicts, and misunderstanding between them and the parents. Friendship problems. Problem number one is a friendship. At our age, it's so important to choose a true friends who can listen you and support in any situation and advise something useful. Next, parents problems. Parents problems is problem number two, the problem of parents and the teenagers. Yes, it's always been a problem, but each generation becomes more difficult than the previous one, and they want their parents to listen to their opinion, allowed to solve problems independently. Parents neglect their children because they cannot find a common language with each other, and they have different tastes and a view on life. Next, problems, emotional problems. Emotional problems is that teenagers are marked changeable moods, emotional instability, combined with a poor upbringing, troubled relationships with others, and the physiological qualities of these characteristics can be emotional disturbances. Next, problems is health problems. I think that the most difficult and serious problem of modern teenagers is a drug addiction. Yes, students, do you agree with me? And besides, a lot of teenagers think drugs will help them to forget about the different problems and so to escape from reality. Today, millions of young people use drugs and most of them die. Other problems include smoking, alcoholism, and the consumption. Next problems is money problem. The problem of use in money that they just don't have enough pocket money. Therefore, teenagers start to ask their parents if not go to work or steal. Next problems, fear or loneliness. Yes, a lot of teenagers are afraid of loneliness. They want other people to appreciate them. That is why young people tend to join some groups or copy particular models of behavior. Next problem is suicide. Suicide is teenagers, in most cases, inclined to escape from difficult situation, and the suicide is first and for the most care. Teenagers decide to commit suicide when feeling really miserable. Next task for you, you should complete the task and you should write the situation, thoughts, feelings and the behavior and the outcome. You should write the situation where you face in your life. And your home task is write an essay about the problems you face. And the next task asks students to find out more about teen problems and the solution in other countries. You can ask to watch the video. Сіздер осы тұрған ссылка арқылы видео көріп, және де сұрақтарға жауап бере аласыздар. Бұл сіздердің үй тапсырмаларыңыз. Okay. I think there is no any teenagers who has no problems at all. I wish to be happy and young forever. I hope you have found the solution of some of your problems. Thank you. Goodbye.